जरा कब हमें oh motherfucker it is. Not on me. Like right here at the moment, all I'm gonna say, bro, I was just shitting bricks because it's kind of weird. He lit me up just as sirens. He didn't use his lights. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the video and enjoy.
Dickhead!
Motherfucker.
Yeah, like, we're going home.
Yeah, I'm going. Whoa. I'll get you. Is this still recording? Yeah, like we were hella hyped. And little did we know we'd see him again on the other side waiting. But I did a crazy maneuver. But hey, y'all enjoy the video and just look what's gonna happen next. It's crazy. No, oh, shut up. Like almost got state reffed.
Bro, I don't know why. I'm not even gonna complain.
Bro, it's the what?
That was exotic.
No, no, that no.
was actually what it was.
Dude, my heart's pounding.
Yeah,
I was not trying to get state reffed.
Bro, I know your car almost got state reffed, nigga.
Nigga, my heart, oh my fuck. Yeah, I'm headed. Hey, I'm gonna finish this video tomorrow. Or maybe just finish it tonight. But today, right now, we're just gonna drive chill until like on the way back. Dude.
That's crazy.
Nigga, bro, my throat got so dry.
Yeah, you don't even have bro. You don't even got your license on you.
Oh, wait, I don't.
That's what I'm saying.
I just left it at home. Cause that's what happened with the other officer. That's how I got my other car impounded. I've said it in the video. I'll put a link in the description.
Bro, you got your fucking car taken.
That would have been expensive.
That sounded like a
yeah, it's time to send my ass back home. I'll catch you guys on some editing this video. Hey, bro, it was a hell of a night yesterday, bro. Like, bro, I was just scared I was gonna get state reffed. But, I mean, at the end of the day, thank God we didn't. That cop was chill, I guess. I think so. I don't even know. But, yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And it's your bed, Dextro. I'm out.